Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're reviewing what we confidently call the best fish holder for caught fish, the 2024 upgraded 3-claw fish gripper by Mirfane. The Mirfane 3-claw fish gripper isn't just a tool. It's a purpose-built piece of gear designed for anglers who value control, precision, and convenience. Its metal body has been upgraded for 2024, ensuring it's more robust and durable than ever. Whether you're dealing with a slippery freshwater bass or a feisty crab, this tool gives you the grip strength you need without causing harm to your catch, or to yourself. Built from high-quality metal, this fish gripper is both rust-resistant and corrosion-proof, making it perfect for use in wet environments. You don't need to worry about it breaking down over time or needing constant maintenance. It's built to last, session after session. Comfort is another area where Mirfane shines. The ergonomic handle fits naturally in your hand, reducing fatigue on those long fishing days. The grip feels secure and balanced, and you'll quickly appreciate how it helps maintain control when landing a strong catch. That means no slipping, no fumbling, just smooth handling from lake to land. Now let's talk portability. It's surprisingly lightweight for a metal tool, which means you can easily toss it in your tackle box, backpack, or even hang it from a belt loop without it weighing you down. It's built for movement, whether you're shore fishing, kayaking, or on a boat. But what really sets this apart is its versatility. This isn't just a fish grabber. It's a multi-tool in disguise. Beyond gripping, you can use it for unhooking, measuring, even dispatching fish quickly and cleanly when necessary. And it's not limited to fish. It works just as effectively with crab, adding even more value to your fishing setup. And here's what you get in the package: the upgraded 3-claw fish gripper, backed by Mirfane's 100% satisfactory after-sales service. If you ever run into issues or have questions, their team is on standby to respond within 12 hours. That kind of support makes a difference, especially when you're investing in gear that you want to rely on. So if you're looking to upgrade your fishing equipment with something practical, durable, and multifunctional, the Mirfane 3-claw fish gripper is a no-brainer. It's compact, it's tough, and it's made for real anglers who know the importance of the right tool at the right time. This has been another honest breakdown here on Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an in-depth product analysis. Until next time, stay sharp, fish smart.